Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Do you want to get your order but you don't know how to add address on Amazon? In this video I will show you how to add addresses on Amazon app. So first you have to need is to go to Amazon app, as you see, and you will click. Then here in this page you will find this sign of profile. You need to go to profile, as you see. Then here in this page you will find a window of account. You have to go to account and you will click on account like this. After that, in this window you will have this list. So you will go to the top window of your addresses, as you see here. You click on your addresses, and then here you can choose if you want to add a new address or add a new pickup location. So here we will choose to add new address, as you see. And here in this page you will find add a new address. You can choose your country here, as you see, your region, and then you can add your phone name, first and last name in this window. And here also you will add your phone number, and you can click here use my location. So as you see here, you have to turn on the location so you can detect your location exactly. And here you can add your street address. Here you add suite unit building. It's optional, not necessary. You can add anything you want. So for this one it's optional, not necessary. And here you can add your city, then state. You will select your state. You will find here all states of your country, and zip code here. And when you finished with this, you will click here make this my default address to save your address. And you'll find here also delivery instructions. It's optional too if you want to add them here in this page, as you see, to make your address more specific. And then you can click here add address, and when you click here then you will know how to add it. The same thing for add a new pickup location. You can add your location in this window, but after turn on or enabling the location and give access to the application to get or to be able to detect your location. So that's it. If this video is helpful for you and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.